Control number 42476, please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir, madam. I'm Karen Danganan, 40 years of age, a widow for almost 4 years. I have 3 sisters and 1 brother. I am the 4th member of the family.
What is your educational attainment?
My educational attainment was high school graduate in Tominhao National High School year 2000-2001 in northern part of Cebu.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
I want to go to Hong Kong to help my family financially.
Have you been to any country before as an FW?
Yes. I've been in Taiwan for 6 years as caretaker.
Do you have experience in taking care of old person?
Yes.
What can you do for elderly?
By taking care of her, I do giving her bath, changing her diaper, going to therapy session every day, accompanied her to her medical sessions, taking her vital signs, and most especially preparing food for her.
Do you have experience in taking care of newly born babies and children?
Yes.
What can you do for babies?
Taking him bath, changing him diaper, and feeding him milk.
Aside from your daily household works, what other special skills you can do?
Cooking and sewing.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
Mostly I cook Chinese food like steamed fish and vegetables. While in Filipino food, I can cook adobo, which is my specialty, and in Italian dishes, I can cook spaghetti.
Describe yourself as an housemate.
I am a responsible person, an honest one, and I will assure my employer that I am a hardworking person.
During misunderstanding with your employer, what do you do?
If me and my employer have misunderstanding, I will apologize and say sorry.
Describe your relationship with your boss and present employer. How do they treat you?
When I'm in Taiwan with my employer, I have a good relationship with them and they treated me like their own family.
Message for a future employer in Hong Kong.
There, sir, madam, if you're going to choose me as your domestic helper, I will do my best not to disappoint you. I will obey the rules and regulations of the Hong Kong policy, and I will promise to finish my contract with you for 2 years and more. Thank you so much.